This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we are talking about the dough hook attachment for your stand mixers. And as you can see, we have a variety of stand mixers on hand, from our little smallest one over here, right? So you might notice some of these small units that are made for home use have one that literally just looks like a hook. It's kind of C-shaped, right? And others, as you start to go up in size, will have this kind of soft spiral to them. They'll do the same job. Which type you have isn't really that important. It's more about the size of the mixer itself and the individual model, brand, the shape of the bowl, etc. The dough hook is meant to simulate the kneading action you would do with your hands if you didn't have a stand mixer, which is why it has this great spiral shape. And you'll notice if you're mixing something like bread dough or pizza dough, when it's well mixed, it'll start to kind of cleave to that and really stick and kind of be rolling around on the hook in the bowl. And that's when you've got some nice, lovely bread usually. And as we go up in size for like our 10-quart mixer, you'll notice they get thicker and more heavy duty. That's generally because we're using a lot of flour, especially high gluten flour like bread flour. And it's really tough and it's really becomes a heavy duty attachment that's meant for some really solid heavy work, right? And then this one, oh my goodness, is our biggest one out there, right? So it's the biggest one we have. It's for a 20-quart mixer. And as you go up in size, they do get really substantial and they start actually having quite a bit of weight. So each one has a slightly different design because they're different manufacturers, different size bowls, different models of mixers, but they're all going to do the same job. And this is for kneading breads and doughs. So anything like pizza dough, bagels, loaves of bread that you're looking to make, anything that needs to be kneaded. Typically it's yeast raised products. You're going to be using that dough hook, and it's going to do a lot of work for you and save your arms a lot of trouble. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.